What's going on here is we're on a boat going around from different spots. All the surfers vote on who they thought did the best, and we put it in number of 1 to 3. You know, the surfers are the judges, and you just do it at the end of the day after we've surfed all our sessions. There's a $10,000 purse, and hopefully at the end they'll come up with a fair winner, and it'll be the guy that surfed the best over the trip.
Día número 1. Beautiful morning. Look at this.
Venga, de acuerdo entonces. Venga, hasta ahora. There are some ways that are working like Mejillones and a couple of spots. So he's going to ring him back in 10 minutes for just say, okay.
How big do you reckon it is?
Like 5-6 feet.
I think we're going that way, right? It's bigger, and there's a wave that goes like that.
Whoever gets the most. What? You see that? That's the winner.
Very good, man. Very good. Very good day for the start.
Yeah, pretty cool. Some good big one. Some catch the big one.
Sam Carter catch the best way for me today. Perfect.
But Noah got a couple of good ones too at the end. I only saw him from on the beach.
Top one is Sam Carey so far for me.
That was fun. I can't believe how good the waves have been. We've only been here bloody 12 hours.